guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. Thanks for joining me. If you would, do me a solid, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button if you like what you see today. Ring the bell so you get the notifications. I got Big Red fired up in the background. We're gonna pull her back, we're gonna get Mahindra Max out, and you're gonna get to see some tractor in action. Play with some dirt, hopefully, maybe some other stuff. Stay tuned. So I've got 8 loads of dirt coming in the backyard. Every time it rains, my backyard floods. So I'm bringing in some fill so I can lift it about 6 inches in the rear. And I'm going to plane it out over time. This will be a multi-episode project. This is just part 1. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I got a little sidetracked, so really I wanted to use the Heavy Hitch Toothbar. You're going to get to see that in action. You're also going to get to see the Backhoe in action. So those of you that are contemplating buying a Heavy Hitch Toothbar or buying a backhoe, hopefully this video helps you out. The toothbar will lift the back end of the tractor, so I switched to the backhoe. The backhoe is extremely powerful and it can actually lift the front of the tractor. So make sure you've got a good sturdy base when you do it. Is it worth the $5 to $7 grand extra to get a backhoe? I think it is. For me, it's extremely handy, and anytime I need to dig a hole, dig a trench.
We're going to start in this back corner and try to cover up some of these.
I actually have dug a couple of fence posts using the backhoe. It's great for ripping them out, and it's also great for digging a footer. Post hole diggers can be a bit of a nuisance, and the old-fashioned post hole diggers can be quite annoying. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video.
I'm actually going to try to pop that roof real quick. I don't know if Mahindra Max is up for the challenge or not.
So here I'm carefully using the tiger's teeth on the toothbar to get at the top of a root. It sticks out of the ground about 4 inches and tapers up like a cone. I'm not sure what type of tree it came from, but it's annoying. I've hit it multiple times. I have to avoid it when I mow. So the idea is knock down the roots and cover it with dirt. Hopefully they don't grow back.
That root right out. Now these little knots in these roots are actually kind of soft. We just want to knock them down so they'll quit popping up in the yard. So just snap them off a little bit.
Look at the top video, you can actually see the back end of the tractor lift. And it actually lifted the tire off the ground. That's how much curl force this tractor has. And with the tooth bar, it's amplified. So I decided at this point to switch her, turn around, use the backhoe. One thing you want to do when you use the backhoe is make sure you plant your front bucket firmly, and then you can spin around your seat.
So you gotta get that perfect in the middle. Then you can push it down in place. Undo our clips real quick. We'll take and we'll turn this other camera around. That way you guys can see me dig. See what we're doing with the backhoe. There's a couple roots here that we want to take out. Transport pin out. Another transport pin out. Take this strap off. Sit that up here for a minute. Alright. All we're going to do is bust out these little roots. They're really annoying. We haven't used a backhoe in a while, so you'll have to bear with me. What we don't want to do is rip out the fence post. As you can see, Max has quite a bit of torque. All you gotta do is
So this route's actually a lot bigger than what it looks like. It looks like it's only about 2 to 3 inches. It actually turns out to be about 4 inches, and the knot's probably closer to 6.
See if we get down underneath it. We'll just try to tear it. So we're gonna put some fill over it. So that root is annoying as all get out.
So this backhoe actually has a lot of power, and like I said, it's about 2,000 foot-pounds of force. My back stabilizers were actually sinking in the ground here, and unfortunately it was lifting in front of the tractor, so I had to do some adjustments. I don't recommend doing this. I've heard stories of people bending their frames. The last thing I want to do is do that to my tractor.
That might be a tap root. I had an old tree back here at one point in time. Oh, we're lifting the tractor. And we're tearing up the fence. We don't want to tear up the fence. Although we are going to replace this fence eventually. Man, we are lifting the tractor. Yeah, as you can see, that root goes straight in the ground.
high range. I just want to say thanks for watching. If you would, do me a solid, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. Sorry to leave you hanging, but stay tuned. More dirt action to come.